a bit of a long package. That's not all, there's more right there. I can't show you all of it because it doesn't fit in the camera. So this is called Fresh Additions, ready to eat, fully cooked chicken breast bites, seasoned, full, not full, product of Canada. Not full of Canada because I'm not sure the country Canada is inside the chicken. No way. So don't have to turn over the nutrition facts because nutrition facts, ingredients, not really any contains anything. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. There's 10. Also, can't show it to you that much, but if you see this little circle, great for snacking, fire grilled. So if you look at this picture there, the chickens put into a salad. So you can put it in the sauce. And the price is $11.99, rounded $12. So here's one. I'm gonna take off the wrapper. It looks yummy. It probably tastes yummy too. It is kind of cold because it just came out of the fridge. Not bad at all. Not bad. I feel like I'm tasting peanuts or something. Fire grilled, that's why. That's why it has that peanut-ish smell. Ask my dad to taste one. A small piece for him. I'm not sure if he will eat that much. He probably likes it too. Fire grilled. So probably the little peanut-ish smell just from the smoke of the oven, the fire grilled. The griller probably. Great. I can tell that if you just dice it up a bit more, but it is there is a bit of a big chunk right here. Just dice it up, throw it in a salad, and just eat it. It will be good. And also it's for a snack, so just take one out and just eat it while you're doing homework or something. Or if you're a grown-up while doing your little office work. Great. I can tell you that this is yummy. Great. I'm gonna eat this whole package. So while I'm eating, that's really it for today. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. If you understand what you said.